A tailor makes X dresses and Y shirts in 1 week. He makes at least 4 dresses, so that is represented by this inequality. He makes at least 4 dresses. He makes no more than 7 shirts. He makes no more than 7 shirts, so this means that Y is less or equals to 7. That's fine. Then the next one, he makes less than 14 dresses and shirts altogether, so it means X plus Y is less than 14. Okay, the next one, it's saying that the number of shirts he makes is more than 2/3 of the number of dresses. So it means that Y is greater than 2/3, 3x. That's what we have. So now plotting it on the inequality graph. So starting with x is greater than or equals to 4. So we take our ruler, then we go on 4. Then we are going to make a line, but then it's greater than or equals to, so it means it's a bold line because the number 4 is also included. So we are going to draw a straight line here. Then since x is greater, so it actually means we are shading the lesser than side. So we'll come here, then we are going to shade the lesser than side. Then the next one, it's saying Y is less or equals to 7. We are going on 7. Then we will draw again a bold line because it's less or equals to. So it will be a bold line like this. Sorry. This will be a bold line. A bold line. Then it's saying that Y is less, so it means that the unwanted region is above the line, so we'll shade the unwanted region. Then the other one, it says X plus Y is equals to 14. So if we want to plot this, we have got to find the coordinates. So we'll say X plus Y is equals to 14. So when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 14, and when y is equals to 0, x is equals to 14. So I've got the coordinates now for x and y. So here are the coordinates at 14 here, 0 and 14, then 14 and 0 here. This is here. Then I'm actually going to draw a line there, but then because our values are not included, it's only less than, I'm actually going to draw a broken line. So this will be a broken line joining the points where 14 is. So it's actually going to be a broken line like this. There's a broken line here, a broken line. But since they're saying that x plus y is less than, so it means the unwanted region is above, so I'll shade the unwanted region. So then I come on the last inequality, which is saying that y is greater than 2/3x. So if y is greater than 2/3x, I'll pick random values so that I can make my coordinates. So I'll say that y is equals to 2/3x. Then I will pick random values to say when x is equals to, if x is equals to 6, so it actually means that y is equals to 2/3 of 6, which is actually 2/3 of 6, which is equivalent to 4. Then so I have got the coordinates now, 6 and 4. These are the coordinates that I have. Then I will say again, if x is equals to 9, then y is equivalent to 2/3 of 9, which is actually going to make a 6 there. So 2/3 of 9 is equivalent to 6. So I'll take my coordinates 9 and 9 and 6. So I now have 2 coordinates, so I can plot a straight line on the inequality graph. So there is a straight line. I can actually tick the coordinates first to say that 6 and 4, 6 in the x-axis and 4 in the y-axis. So 6 in the x-axis and 4 in the y-axis is going to be here. 6 in the x-axis and 4 in the y-axis is going to be here. Then what's the other one? I've got 9 and 6. So 9 in the x-axis, and sorry, here it's actually 6 in the x-axis and 4 in the y-axis. So the point is going to be here. Sorry for that. So the point is going to be here. So I also have got 9 in the y-axis and 6 in the x-axis. 9 in the y-axis and 6 in the x-axis. It's going to be this point here. So then I now have got 2 coordinates. I can actually plot the graph now. I can actually plot the graph, but then I just keep in mind that this is greater than sign. So it's going to be a broken line because the point is not included in the part of the inequality. So I'll do like this. This is the broken line that I'm drawing. Then since y is greater, it means the lesser than side is the unwanted region. So I'm going to shade this lesser than side. So this is what I have now. The question had asked me to label the region R that satisfies the inequalities, the 4 inequalities. So this is the region R that satisfies the 4 inequalities. This is the region R here. All right, that's fine. So on that part, it is done. Then the next question is saying, use your diagram to find the smallest number of dresses and the smallest number of shirts the tailor makes in 1 week. So we are going to actually put the possible values that we can find within the range of our linear programming. So this point is a possible value. This point is a possible value. This point is a possible value. Remember, we don't put any dots on a broken line. So we only put on the bold line because we assume that the values on the bold line, they are also included as part of the inequality. Since the inequality sign is saying less or equals to or greater or equals to. So these are the possible values that we have. These are the possible values that we have. Actually, I've got a value here and we have a value here, and we'll be very careful not to put any dots. So those are the possible values that we have. So if we say that the smallest number of shirts the tailor makes in 1 week, and dresses as well, so we are actually going to take this value, which is the least. So this will mean that we have got 4 dresses and 3 shirts. 4 dresses and 3 shirts. This is the coordinate. Actually, it's 4, 3. So it's actually 4 dresses. That's the smallest coordinate that exists. So it's actually 4 dresses and 3 shirts. Okay, 4 dresses and 3 shirts. Okay, fine. So that's it on that part. Then it's saying that the profit the tailor makes on 1 dress is $10, and the profit on 1 shirt is actually $6. So use your diagram to find the largest profit the tailor is going to make in 1 week. So the largest profit, we actually find it on noting the coordinates that we need. So the largest on the coordinates that we need actually is a 7 and a 6. So actually we are saying that a 7 and a 6, that's this value, is the one which will bring the largest combination. So what we are simply going to do is to say 10x plus 6y, 10x plus 6y, which is $10 times the number times x, which is actually the number of dresses, then $6 times y, which is actually the number of shirts. So we'll say 10 times the largest value, which is 7, plus 6 times the largest value, which is actually 6. So then 10 times 7, that's a 70. Then 6 times 6 there, that's going to be a 106. If we add everything, that's 70 plus 36, which is equivalent to 106. So that's it.